Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English test of oral past question number 35. Still on the same instruction, which is looking out for the word that rhyme with the given word. At least the option that rhyme with the given word. Then the given word here, popularly people pronounce it as smooth. The th by people's pronunciation sound no, it is not smooth. It is pronounced as smooth. So it is not t. So by its transcription, we have this. So it is not t sin theta. No. Then we want to look out from the option provided, the one that rhyme with it. Then option A is pronounced as boot, but people pronounce it at boot. The th people pronounce it as t, as in sin theta, but it is not boot, it is boot. The option B, it is pronounced as root, long u. So you can imagine that the given word has long u, the option A has long u, the option B also has long u, then the option C is also pronounced as root. The same transcription, no change, but different word. The option D is pronounced as tooth. The th sounds at tooth. Long u also, so sin theta at the end. The option D is pronounced as wood. This is short u, wood. So by this, option A is the correct option because the th sound the same. It rhymes with the given word. Then they both have long u sound. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.